na-eme n'obodo ha. Ndị ụnụ na-ahụ bụ ndị Uromi Hunters Association. Ha chịkọtara onwe ha ọnụ maka ihe ndị Fulani na-eme n'obodo ha. Karịsịa kamgbe ha gbuchara egburu ndị egburu na ndị si ha hunter egburu. Ndị ka pụtakwala na ha kwa hunter because o doro anya na gọọmenti achọghị ịtụrụ ha ọnụ. Enwere vidio m mere m na-agwa ndị mmadụ na mgbe ndị Fulani batara n'otu obodo ebe m jere ozi dịka onye ụkọchukwu wee gbuo di nwaanyị onye ụkọ anyị. Ha ndị obodo aga ka ajụọ ha, chụkwakwa ndị obodo ndị gara ka gbuo ha. Ya chọrọ iko achịcha. Ndị obodo mere gbara ha ọsọ. Onye bishọp m wee kpọọ DPO si ụnụ gbara nkịtị ndị a na-eme ihe dị otu a. Onye DPO akpọọ my bishọp secret sị ka agwa gị nke wee eziokwu ebe iwe onye ụkọchukwu na ọ bụrụ onye ọzọ ya ha ga-atụpụ ọnụ na their hands are tied. You got to stop on that. Na ọ dara esi n'elu abịa. Naanị ya chọdewere bụ na ndị obodo busowe ha agha. Na ọ bụrụ na ha busowe ha, ha ga-abatazi bịa igbo ọgụ na otu ha nwere ike isi bata. Na ha bata na abịa ịchụ ndị ahụ na ha nọ na trọbụl. Ihe m na-agwa gị na ya a bishọp TPO gwara my bishọp ana ọkwa ihe o meziri wee amobilize ndị obodo agazie fesi ha. Ndị polisi abịazie kwụsị ọgbaghara. Ndị ahụ shift to n'obodo ahụ for that year. Later they still came back. Wepụga ewu nwere onwe because anyị nwere common enemy anyị bụ ndị na-ala n'iyi. Agụmakpọ ha ọzọ ndị nla n'iyi, ndị na-ala n'iyi, ndị ọla n'iyi. Ndị ọla n'iyi a bụ ndị iro anyị. Ọwụghị onye IPOB wee onye iro m. Ọwụghị onye autopilot wee onye iro m. Ọwụghị onye Mosop wee onye iro m. Ọwụghị onye grupu ọbụla wee ndị iro m. Asa akpọsịla ha ihe aha ha. So mgbe ọbụla ị na ime ha dres kpọọ ha ndị ọla n'iyi. Ndị a na-apụta na ha egbuo ha ala n'iyi gbuo tụrụ ọha bụ ndị iro anyị. Ka onye Igbo ọbụla unite together ka a chụọ ndị ọla n'iyi ọsọ kweru ala. Enwere nwe Igbo anyị Chineke nyere amara. O nwere ihe ọrụ pụtara. Otu ahụ esi mee n'oge agha mgbe ha bịara n'ike ihe ha rụpụtara na bọnka na-aga akpọ aha ọgwụrụ mba arụpụtakwala ya ọzọ nke ọzọ in a digital way. Mana enidiri mmadụ 15 isi kpakọrọ ọnụ na-agaghị ekwu ihe ha ga-ahụ epụ ihe ha hụrụ ebe ahụ. Dịkwana njikere iweta ego ma asị weta ego. Dịka ị ga-abata anyị ga-ele ejimara gị. Achọrọ ihe onyonyo na-akpọ oku a. M ga-akpọgide oku akpọgide ka unu aza m oku a. Anyị chọrọ mmadụ 10 ma nwere 15.
Anyway, let me stop him there. This is Vicar. Many of you know him. And I tagged this video to him. This is your video before, right? Now you are not telling the whole world that they're going to Fulani. Do you understand? So it's not as if you don't know what you're doing. The thing is that all of you know what you are saying. You know what you're doing. You know what you represent. You know what you actually want. But the problem is that the more you engage yourself within the maybe you cut on the by, the more you contradict your word. Fulani is not the problem. That's what they're preaching now. Fulani is no longer the problem. It's Mazamakana and Samari, but they are the problem. In as much as we condemn the criminality going on in our land, the killing and everything, the thing is that you always turn blind eyes. This is going to be a quick one. I don't want to waste much of our time. I want you to watch, since you learn sympathizing with Ndi Ogbuni, because your video that I will play here few days ago, we highlighted on that your comment where you said, never again, never Fulani. No one of the no Ebola. Because I don't know when you made this one, because this one is your old video, I believe. Your old video. Okay, isi kikadetika, isi ikadetika man somehow before. Ndị again, I saw pass for me people but that like people mother people Fulani afa. O when they can handle that group in on now. Bonde no gas na ndi banke no na botanic in South Africa. They have really got some leaders now. Because all the people with this thing, that spirit of in you, they have activated it now, so you're no longer sounding like what you are saying here. Even the way story of how they're buying people, even Galozi, as a missionary, I don't know, a people out of the place. You made mention of your encounter, your experience you were there, and you ignore everything now. So it's about no more give us a problem. Every blessed day you're making video to justify that damage control can come. Today, in Artisan, in Enugu State, Ndiugu, Blumad 5. That is a report. Somewhere in Oglogo government, Enugu State, on Friday, Blumad there. The video you're about to watch now, in Kebbi State, and it's new women on ground. The guy again, each of the videos, I think it's when the security move, security, you know, in my the guy is like on the phone. Only him need to start singing his praises. Right? Oh, security, men, right? I don't want to rain insult or anything on you. I just want to use the opportunity to call your attention. Now the Fulani na Boy State. So you have two choices here. Is either to continue sympathizing with them, the Fulani, or to call your men, security. You might see with men on ground. You have your own men now. They are not even Nigerian security like police army, no. But later you change your word, you lied, even though you're a gospel preacher. But that's the sort of that day. You can also reach out to the ONR report to base on this security in Ghana. Often. You can call on him now to send people to Kagari school this way now. Because someone is a problem. IPOB, ESN, non-doshi, fine. I support of anybody. I support of criminality, kidnapping, God forbid, bloodshed. My hands are not there. But I'm now. Go on, Wogima. That danger. It will impending doom. And that doom is fast approaching. Now, you are expected to do something. Because one by security. They keep on reporting security. Now they won't buy, right? Now, Fulani did this in Ebo State. So watch.
The United have taken over our land. You can see people. Children, both adults. Where we are now for help. It's not safe for anybody. Help. The whole community has gone out. You know. Everywhere have been taken over. People should come to our rescue. Look at them. Nobody is in their house. Nobody is in their house. Everyone on the run. Look at the little children. Look at the little children. Look at everyone. People have been displaced. So.
Okay.
Now. Our Igbo kirikiri.
And judging by your statement, now DPO or somebody, or a bishop gave it around before that, now their hands are tied. The question now, that their hands that were tied, we're going to lose here. Have somebody lose that hand that were tied, because you guys are now preaching that the only hope is security. Security when security move, and this security when they push when they move against Igbo youth. That you cannot fight. Size guy now they can't fight. Man, they will say he supports youth. which is safer, then you can't go in America. But don't forget that you have siblings, relatives at home, of course. On our camera, company name, you make sure that now in our work based on the fact and figures, like if you go the show of if you go and manage the result you get matching. I'm just like I'm adding my force as well. They condemn the criminality, but to tackle that, I brought this methodology. In our the go after those ones. But burning house, your managed man, he cannot support it to go to a village, because they were in his own way, or even those allowed in that community, meaning that in that community deserve to buy. It will be no name, my if your neighbor name beer. The matter. Can you give me justify? And you are not signing yourself, you are not pushing yourself to the person that they put this kind of thing. Like I said, kidnapping, killing, anything, stealing, and what have you, I don't support it. Mana, if you're able to bomb on a residential house na Igbo, your man, you're the most honest and most truthful person Igbo can quote on a day. Now, I get that there is well deserved. Now, the community is well deserved. They need to receive it hold from security. And because now the community will allow criminality in those CP in a better. And the movie the east character. Why don't you just this security guy come down, make arrest, pick those people, jail them? Kidding maybe to know now. Therefore, if I get more straight about execution and executing innocent one and destroying innocent houses, rendering people homeless for something about the root cause of it, not present on the Fulani, but which go at the and major activity, analyze it on your own. I believe that by the time when you made this video, you are not in contact with them. Manaketa and they have blended you. Instead of you to blend them, they blend you. Very, very big disappointment. And upon I was already a quite the or Sunday and manager.
My people have been displaced, so since yesterday, we have been on the run. The Imeg have taken over our land. You can see people, children, both adults.
The more in a major analysis and in the cut and they will cut on them and all those things. Always, I want you to be playing in your mind and your vision. Affair, so that actually you can't go to work it and go see now. You don't reply to this ones because your eyes now is focused on that feature which is best known to you. That's in it because you open up quarter with what you know what you want to achieve. I just want to make this video for you because when I saw this video, I felt so bad, very, very bad. Because most of the people in Gumi told Ndi Igbo, people like you, use Igbo to fight Igbo. And that's he's playing it before you. Gumi can more advanced and more civilized. Man, even Professor Nacha Anambra State is following taking instruction and command from Gumi. You feel like they mean those of you that find voice in condemning your own and exonerating those that are actually coming for your life. Amen. Please like the video and tell me what you think about it. God bless you. Bye bye for now.